Yo, I recently joined LiveGood, and by the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly why I did. Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of LiveGood and you are somebody who is into health and wellness and looking for a way to earn some extra money, you are watching the right video. Now, LiveGood is a membership-based site that gives its members the ability to get their products at an extremely discounted price. When you think of LiveGood, you want to think about places like Amazon, Sam's Club, or Costco. But the only difference between LiveGood and those places is LiveGood gives you the opportunity to become an affiliate and actually have your own online business. Now, of course, right now, LiveGood is nowhere near as big as Sam's Club or Amazon, but their plan is to be able to compete with these companies in the next 2 to 3 years. Now, as of recording this video, LiveGood has only been around for 11 months, not even a full year, and we have already hit over 800,000 members, all right? Almost 1 million people in under a year. Now look, by this point, you've already decided whether or not you are interested in LiveGood or not. And if you're not, you probably already clicked off this video, so it don't even matter. So if you are one of them people who are interested in LiveGood, there's going to be 2 links in the description of this video. The first link is going to be a link for those who are interested in becoming LiveGood affiliates and making money with LiveGood. Now, the second link is for those who just want to become LiveGood members and get their products at a discounted price. But to be honest with you, the only difference between becoming an affiliate and just a LiveGood member is a one-time $40 fee. So if you decide to become an affiliate, you just pay $40 and you can actually start promoting LiveGood today, right? And start earning commissions and everything. Or you can wait till next year if you want, right? Because you are an affiliate. Once you're an affiliate for life. So click the link that applies to you. And either way, I'll see you in LiveGood.